Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we're going to discuss our ninth question. What is that? Two poles of height. Let's going to consider one pole AB and another pole will be CD. Of the height 6 meters and 11 meters stand on plain ground. So that stand on plain ground. The distance between the feet of the two poles will be 12 meters. The distance between two poles will be 12 meters. Find the distance between their tops. So from this point to this point, what is the distance we have to calculate it? So given conditions, let's write all the given conditions. So heights of the pole, let height of the first pole, whatever it is, first pole. So let's consider first pole will be equal to AB, that is 11 meters, height of the first pole. Then what is the height of the second pole? Height of the second pole. So you can write height of the second pole, that is CD, will be equal to 6 meters. So if the distance between the two poles, write all the conditions, distance between the two poles, what is that? Distance between the two poles, that is equal to BC, that is 12 meters. So distance between two poles will be equal to 12 meters. So that means here let's consider another point. I am taking parallel to this. Why? Because we need to explain this one. So you can take it this one. So this 12 meters means this is also 12 meters and this height. So CD as it is. So here, so point, so locate one point that will be equal to CD will be equal to EB, that will be equal to 6 meters. So this is the point 6 meters. 6 meters and ED will be equal to, what is that? 12 meters. ED will be equal to 12 meters. So what answers we will get? 12 meters. Another one, let's consider. Clearly you can get it as here 12 meters and this one. So what is AE here? So AE means here AE will be equal to, from the total height of this triangle, from the total height of the pole, if you subtract this EB, so AE will be equal to, what is that? AB minus BE. AB minus BE. Can you take like this? Yes. AE will be equal to, AB will be equal to 11 meters, BE will be equal to 6, then we will get it as 5. So this is 5 meters, this is 12 meters. So from triangle, let's consider ADE and Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras or Bodhayan theorem. Pythagoras theorem, what you can write it here is AD square, that is hypotenuse square, will be equal to squares of the remaining two sides. Sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. AE square plus ED square. So AD we have to find it. So AD square will be equal to, AE square is nothing but 5 square plus ED square will be equal to 12 square. So 5 square will be equal to 25, 12 square will be equal to 144, then 169. So AD will be equal to, AD square will be equal to 169. That implies AD will be equal to square root of 169. So we will get it as 13 meters. So 13 is nothing but square root of 169 will be equal to 13. So therefore distance, what you can write, distance between two tops of the poles, distance between the poles of two tops will be equal to 13 meters. So this is 13 meters from this point to this point. So this is the way of thinking and solving the solutions. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe.